Bhosri here and welcome to Bhosri's Little World. In today's video I am going to share some of my favorite Body Shop products which I am using from last 2 years and I absolutely love this product. So let me share with you what are the Body Shop products I am using. And before that, let me tell you that this video is not at all sponsored. I wish it could, but it's not. And the second thing is that my skin is normal to dry skin and these products work really well for my skin. That's why I'm using it. May differ from your skin type. So I would definitely suggest that if you have any Body Shop shop nearby, go and check that which skin type you have and which product suits you. They have wide range of products, depends on your skin type. So you can try from this product which I want to show you is, let's start from the cleanser. I use this vitamin E cleanser and this cleanser is works really well for me. They have seaweed range for combination skin and I have tried that also, but I feel somewhere that is good if your skin is normal to oily, but mine is normal to dry. So this vitamin E range really works good for me, so I use this cleanser. And from the same vitamin E range toner also I do use, and you can see it's really a big bottle to use. So although the Body Shop products are a bit pricey, but it's good, so you can invest little bit for your skin. So that's why I use this one. And I use this their moisturizer also, day moisturizer, this one. So I use this one also. So these are all vitamin E range. After their vitamin E range, I use their vitamin C range also. Two products I used. The first one is their scrub. If you use this scrub, you can definitely, if you can see that this scrub has really the granule kind of feeling, and I love that. In scrub actually I love that granule kind of feeling. It gives me a mental satisfaction, like yeah, it's scrubbing my skin. So that's why I took this vitamin C. If you have oily skin, this is really good for you, because for my skin I feel it's little bit of drier side, but it's okay. After that I used cream, so it's okay for me. But if you have oily skin, it's really good. And you should use moisturizer after using any scrub, so for me also it's quite okay. And then I used this face mist from vitamin C again. So this face mist, basically I use this one for night skincare. And the one major thing you have to keep in mind, that when you spray this one, you need to you have to spray this one like this, and you need to close your eyes. Otherwise, as it's vitamin C, if it goes to your eyes, it starts burning. So you need to be careful with that. And I use their British Rose body butter. This smell is heaven. If you have never used this, you just try this one. They have lots of different kind of other not flavor, other fragrance also in the body butter, but I love British Rose, so I use this one. This smell really good. And I love to buy the small boxes, because they, as I was telling, they have other fragrance also, so I can keep trying different type of fragrances. So I use this one. And the last but not the least, which I absolutely love from Body Shop, is their body scrub. I have this African Zimenia scrub. I hope you can see this one. You can see the box. It's really huge and it is little pricey aside. For me, it took 145 ringgit for this box, which is really a bit expensive. But if you want to invest, if you want to take care of your skin, if you want to invest in a good body scrub, I would definitely suggest Body Shop body scrubs. They have lots of other variety also in the same range, but this I really love the smell. I have I have some fascination with good smells. Everybody have, I guess. So I check whatever I buy any cream, how does it smell. So I love this one, and it's really good. I have a huge problem of tanning in my hand and legs, basically foot and hands. So this works really good on that. That's why I use twice a week this one, and it's really good. As you can see, I have already used this. So it's really big, it will go for a longer time initially, but for initial, like for buying, you might think that it's costly, but trust me, it will definitely go long run. So you can definitely invest in this one. This is my absolute favorite product from Body Shop. And that's it. This was my skincare products from Body Shop. So, and this was my today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and comment down below. And if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.